Halo anak-anak, hari ini kita akan belajar cara meminta perhatian. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, kita sering menyebutnya meminta perhatian. Untuk meminta perhatian, kita bisa menggunakan attention please. May I have your attention? Excuse me. Listen to me please. Look at what I've got here. Do you have a minute? Untuk memberikan perhatian, kita bisa menggunakan yes sir, yes ma'am. Okay, what happened then? Go ahead, I'm listening. Really? Is it true? Agar pemahaman kalian lebih baik, yuk kita cek videonya.
Excuse me, Teacher Lizzie?
Yes, Scott. Go ahead, I'm listening.
Would you give me a permission to leave the classroom earlier? My parents are coming to this city to visit me.
Sure, you may leave the classroom earlier. Just send my warm regards to your parents.
Okay, Teacher Lizzie. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, Scott. Excuse me. Yes, ma'am. I'm looking for food stall around here. Can you show me? Food stall? Just walk this path to the north about 100 meters. The food stall is on your left side. Thank you. Don't mention it.
Do you have a minute, Jess?
Sure. Go ahead.
Do you know where Santana Bakery is?
Oh, Santana Bakery? It is on the corner of Simpang Lima.
Thank you, Jessica.
It's okay, Raphael.
Terima kasih untuk perhatiannya, semoga paham ya. Kalau suka, silahkan klik like. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe ya. Matur nuwun.